Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a company that's been making a big name for itself in the world of finance, Wealthsimple. Now, you might be wondering, why am I talking about Wealthsimple? Well, the reason is simple. I'm curious about how many people work there. See, I've been using Wealthsimple for a while now, and I've always been impressed by their platform and the services they offer. But I've also always wondered how big the company is. So, I did some research, and I found out that Wealthsimple has over 1,000 employees. That's a lot of people. But what does that mean for you and me? Well, it means that Wealthsimple is a big company with a lot of resources. This means that they can offer you a wide range of products and services, and they can also provide you with excellent customer support. So, if you're looking for a financial services company that you can trust, Wealthsimple is a great option. Now, let's get into the specifics. How many people work at Wealthsimple? As of date, Wealthsimple has over 1,000 employees. This makes them one of the largest financial services companies in Canada. Wealthsimple has employees in a number of different countries, including Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. The majority of Wealthsimple's employees work in their head office in Toronto, Canada. Wealthsimple has a wide range of employees, including engineers, product managers, designers, customer support representatives, and financial advisors. Wealthsimple is a growing company, and they are always looking for new talent. If you're interested in working at Wealthsimple, you can check out their careers page. So, there you have it. Wealthsimple has over 1,000 employees. This makes them a big company with a lot of resources. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.